Palmdale, California, USA. Drought. One place that has been affected in the United States by drought is the Antelope Valley in California, which includes cities such as Palmdale and Lancaster. The threat at hand is having a period of low rainfall causing a fluctuation in water, leading to the city to have a shortage in water. The region itself is considered vulnerable because with the city's rapid population growth, climate change, prolonged droughts, and natural disasters, there has been a development for watching the water that is available for the city and its residents. On a global level, 2016 was the hottest year on record, and on a state level, there were 7,349 wildfires in California in 2016. The California drought that affected this region was occurring from 2011 to 2017, which was considered one of the longest droughts in state history. With increasing heat, like how we all have been experiencing in recent years, along with less rainfall, this leads to areas prone to natural wildfires to have increased wildfire potential, which overall leads to more wildfires. There are 3 sources where this region receives water, all of them also impacted by environmental changes. The water districts have the power to fine any residents who misuse water. In some parts, there are also some communities that had no water at some point. Communities overall have to watch how they use water as the city has mandatory water restrictions. Locally, the city has been recycling water, having programs for homeowners to remove turf for desert landscapes, also known as cash for grass, and having residents in the community practice personal behaviors to reduce the amount of water consumed per household.